go with a 14-foot pull-up. Bates with the board. 3 of 11 pa lang ang 3-point shooting na Meralco. Nakita na si Banquero, si Junmar na naman ang inatake doon. Quinto swings around. Newsome tries his hand.
Lakas. Third na to so far.
Junmar! Tatlo na kumuyog doon. Pero si Pat Riley magagalit na.
Si Coach.
Si Coach, pagkatapos ng game, okay lang. Huwag during the game.
Tutulungan.
May rule kami. Bayaan mo yung kakampi niya tumulong sa kanya. Di ba?
As Meralco swings it over to Quinto. Quinto, ang ganda ng first round niya. For less than 5 remaining in this first half. Dang for 3. Punches it through. Meralco on the other side of the floor. Newsome thought about it. Drives closer. Is bumped by Perez.
Again, IQ play na naman yan. Minsan mapapasok mo eh. Yun.
Ang malaking bagay pa dyan. First field goal of the game yan para dito kay Chris Newsome. Let's see if he can get his offense going.